For over a decade, Silicon Valley promised us that the future of computing would be an immersive, virtual reality paradise. Tech giants poured tens of billions of dollars into heavy face goggles, telling us we'd soon work, socialize, and live inside digital worlds. But as we navigate 2026, the market has delivered a sharp reality check. While heavy VR headsets sit collecting dust on shelves, a quiet revolution has taken over. Lightweight, fashion-forward AI smart glasses have exploded into the mainstream. What was once dismissed as a gimmick has suddenly become the fastest-growing consumer hardware category in modern tech. Today, we analyze how a simple pair of everyday specs completely outmaneuvered the multi-billion-dollar VR hype machine. To understand how fast this hardware shift happened, we only need to look at the latest industry numbers. According to market tracker IDC, display-less AI smart glasses shipped over 2.25 million units in the first quarter of 2026 alone. To put that in perspective, that single quarter nearly matched the entire category's shipment volume for all of 2024. We are seeing a massive 167% year-over-year surge in smart glasses shipments. Meanwhile, traditional VR headset shipments plunged by over 42% in the exact same window. Meta currently holds roughly 69% of the smart glasses market, largely driven by its partnership with eyewear giant EssilorLuxottica. The data confirms a clear story. Consumers aren't rejecting wearable tech. They are rejecting isolation. Why did smart glasses succeed where VR headsets stumbled? Analysts call it the grocery store test. For 10 years, VR hardware manufacturers engineered breathtaking immersive screens, but they failed to overcome a fundamental social barrier. Nobody wants to look ridiculous in public. A 600-gram headset traps you in a plastic box, disconnecting you from the physical world. Smart glasses, on the other hand, solved the aesthetic equation first. By embedding cameras, microphones, and spatial audio speakers into standard prescription frames, manufacturers created something people can wear to a meeting or a cafe without drawing stares. Now, I want to ask you, have you ever worn a VR headset in public? Or do you agree that lightweight smart glasses are the only wearable format that makes sense for daily life? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. But fashion is only half the equation. The real catalyst is multimodal AI. Early smart glasses failed because they were glorified Bluetooth earpieces with terrible battery life. Today's hardware is powered by dedicated silicon like Qualcomm's Snapdragon AR1 series, running lightweight, highly efficient neural processing units. Combined with on-device multimodal models like Meta AI and Google Gemini, these glasses don't just record video. They understand what you're looking at. You can glance at a foreign menu and hear a live translation in your ear. Look at an engine part and ask how to fix it, or get proactive reminders without ever looking down at a phone screen. Unsurprisingly, this hardware pivot has triggered an all-out ecosystem battle among tech giants. Meta's early dominant lead has forced Google and Samsung into aggressive countermoves. Samsung officially confirmed its upcoming Android XR smart glasses lineup, built in collaboration with Google and Qualcomm. Meanwhile, brands like Xiaomi, Neo, Vichur, and Xreal are capturing substantial market share by pushing high-density micro-OLED displays into ultra-thin frames. We are moving away from isolated operating systems toward open wearable platforms, where your glasses connect seamlessly to your existing smartphone, cloud accounts, and personal data. However, rapid adoption brings major social friction. As millions of people walk around with discrete, AI-connected cameras on their faces, public privacy concerns are re-emerging. Unlike smartphones, where taking a photo requires a clear physical gesture, smart glasses capture photos, record video, and process visual data almost invisibly. Regulatory bodies in Europe and Asia are already evaluating stricter guidelines regarding recording indicators and facial recognition processing. Here's the big question. Do you feel comfortable with people wearing camera-equipped AI glasses in private spaces like gyms or restaurants? Or should strict visual LED recording requirements be mandated by law? Tell me your take in the comments. What comes next? Today's best-selling glasses are primarily audio and camera devices, but the next frontier is full optical augmented reality. Optical suppliers like Loomis and Wave Optics are demonstrating geometric waveguides capable of a 70-degree field of view. Within the next 2 years, we will see micro-LED displays integrated directly into transparent prescription lenses without adding bulk. This means full spatial navigation, hands-free monitors, and digital overlays will seamlessly replace both your smartphone screen and your desktop display. In conclusion, the battle between VR immersion and ambient AI has been decided, at least for everyday consumers. VR will continue to hold a dedicated home in high-end simulation, flight training, and hardcore gaming. But for the general public, computing is moving out of bulky helmets and onto lightweight frames that enhance physical reality rather than replace it. Ambient AI is winning because it fits seamlessly into human life. Thanks for watching Tech Market Pulse. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more deep dive hardware analysis.